Hello, my name is Gonzalo Snyder Bueno Puentes. I am studying Engineering of Telecommunication in the UNAD University. I am going to tell about some aspects of my life. First, if I could have any job, I think I would like to be a professional soccer player. I think this because I always liked sport, but especially soccer. I never thought of a job since I was little. I always went to practice multiple sports, although unfortunately, I could be a professional in any of them for different reasons unrelated to my talent. Second, my last job was in the telecommunication sector where I worked for 7 years where my functions were basically preventive and corrective maintenance to generator sets, rectifier system, board and heads, among other functions. It was very important for me because I gained a lot of experience. I meet many parts of Colombia thanks to my work. I made excellent colleagues. Thank you. Bye bye.